Here we are. So now I am on the penthouse level, penthouse 1201. We're overlooking the north part of town, so you can kind of see through right now. We've got scaffolding still up on the outside. You can see the terrace out here is really awesome. It's got stucco's complete. You got the paintings going on right now. Let me try to get you back here and you can see this high roof that's going in. There's the high roof. So that'll be part, that penthouse will be covered terrace, so that's really great. So here, this is very typical status of where we are right now in the penthouses. We've got guys doing rough mechanical. We got fire sprinkler going in. We've got AC going in. It's also happening in the hallways. We've got boxes for electrical, so they haven't gotten here to start pulling wires. On other areas of the penthouse, we do have wires pulled already. You can see we've already stocked our drywall. We've got our tubs here, all the big items, any extra framing that we have. We've got it all up in the unit now because we're preparing to take down the buck hoist in the next couple of weeks. So now I'm in the common area, the club space down on level 5. Here's the club room. Mechanical rough is all going in behind the framing, and we are preparing to hang drywall. It's a glass wall system here that goes in at that. You go straight out onto your pool deck. And then the newsroom. This is the fitness room. Fitness here, glass wall, exercise room. All right, there you have it. Back down on the outside here, pineapple side. A lot of work going on Lemon. The city's doing all the paverscape across the street on the other side, so it's really coming along good. Keep you posted. Still planning on closings in December, starting from levels 5 and 6, 7, 8, all the way up, and then we'll roll through the closings into the first part of next year. So units are looking really good, and we're really pleased with how things are going. So if you got any questions, definitely come see us in the sales gallery at Michael Saunders' office. Or give Kat or Lynn a call. All right, thanks. Take care.